Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. I am Muhammad Afzal. First of all, I wish all a very happy Independence Day. Today is 15 August. We got freedom on this day. It is our national festival. We have national plays on this day. Everybody sing the national anthem. It is celebrated with full enjoy. Let us be proud to be Indian.
तकरीर पेश करें।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Muhammad Afzal. I am senior class 2nd. Today I am going to speak on Independence Day. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August of every year. It is National Festival of India. On this day, Prime Minister hosts the national flag on red food. This day teaches you about power of unity among Indians. Many great leaders like Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Tipu Sultan, Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, and so on. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
वालेकुम सलाम।